But you spoke about journey and being on your journey. So give us a little, a little summary of who you are within the entertainment journey.
All right, within the industry, depends on what time frame you meet me.
From when you start.
Well, some people can call me drummy. Some people can call me keysy.
Okay.
Some people can call me producer.
Yeah.
Some people can call me video director. And some people can call me artist. So far. Some people might call me technician too.
Technician.
So it depends who call me, I'm going to know which year and which time you know me from. And how long you know me from. So getting a little bit more detail in terms of the journey. While we can get real details still, so I'm going to try to get a sum it up as...
Mama, you can go ahead, have
the
floor.
Ahead. How much time we have?
You have enough. It's
all right,
yours.
so earlier I was having a little conversation which I'm going to continue and pick up from, where like, in terms of the process of breaking down the final picture.
Yes.
And breaking it down to the stuff that you need to build the bigger picture. So, my thought process came into problem solving as I was explaining, from being like figuring out how to fix a radio by mashing it up at the TV. You break it down, it's good and it's working.
Yes. Like all technicians.
Yes,
I think it's a thing.
You wonder how this thing works. Like where this sound come from out of this speaker. And this is the earliest time I can think about problem solving for me. Breaking apart the device and looking at the circuitry board, understanding what these components is, the diode, the resistor, all of these things and how it works. And that kind of put my brain into a problem solving skills, when in each process of my life, when I find something interesting to do, I try to solve it. So I try to learn to play the drums, was the first instrument I try to play and teach myself. Yeah. And then, all right, figure out how the keyboard works. And then figure out how to play the bass. And then try to figure out how to play all of them together. Which brings me into producing.
Yeah.
Yardstyle Live.